Why are probiotics so crucial for our gut health? Well, imagine your gut as a bustling city. Probiotics are like the helpful citizens keeping everything running smoothly, playing a vital role in digestion and even boosting our immune system. First up, improved digestion. Probiotics help break down the food you eat, turning it into nutrients your body can use. This means less discomfort, less bloating, and a happier you. Next, let's talk immune function. Did you know a large portion of your immune system actually resides in your gut? By balancing your gut flora, probiotics act like your body's own personal bodyguards, helping to fend off unwanted guests like bad bacteria and viruses. Speaking of bloating, that uncomfortable, puffy feeling can be a real drag. Probiotics to the rescue. Regular intake can help reduce bloating and make your stomach feel much more comfortable. And it doesn't stop there. Better nutrient absorption. This is a big one. Probiotics help your body absorb the good stuff from your food, like vitamins and minerals, more efficiently. This means more energy and better health overall. Lastly, a balanced gut flora. This is all about creating a harmonious environment inside your gut. Probiotics help maintain this balance, preventing the overgrowth of harmful bacteria. It's all about keeping that inner ecosystem thriving. Dive into the description below for testimonials, expert insights, and much more. Here's for a healthier, happier you.